Leopards, it's Mrs. Kupersztoch, your librarian, and I'm going to show you today how to find the activity that goes with RAVI'S ROAR. So remember, you'll go to Courses once you're in Schoology, click on your library course for your grade level, and then scroll down a little bit to my first section called Library Lessons. Click on those words, Library Lessons, and when you do, you'll see RAVI'S ROAR is going to come right at the top. I'm always going to have the newest lesson at the top to make it easy for you to see. So you'll click on RAVI'S ROAR, those blue words right there, and then the lesson is right here. You can click through and listen to me read the story again, or you can click on where it says RAVI'S ROAR Activity. Just like most of the assignments I do, this is going to be another Google assignment. This way you'll be able to complete it right there in your Google Drive and share it with me through Schoology. Super easy. Click on RAVI'S ROAR Activity. This will open up as a copy in your own drive, and the activity is basically thinking about what do we do when we get angry, and when we're angry, how can we try to stay calm? So as you know, anger is very normal. It's very normal for everybody to get angry sometimes, but we need to think of some ways we can calm down and how we can get control of that anger. So the activity says, when you get angry, what do you do to stay calm? Write or draw them in the space below. Well, this tool doesn't really have a great drawing tool, so I've given you some boxes that you can use to type in the spaces below. So it says, one example is count to 10. One example is take a deep breath. One example is talk to a friend. So you can click in one of these other stars and type in something that you do to help stay calm when you're feeling angry. I hope you enjoyed RAVI'S ROAR. I enjoyed reading it to you, and I will catch you with the next activity. Bye, Leopards.